complies with all the regulations in the world. It's a unique piece of equipment. It's taken many years to design and build. And the system was operational, fully operational from our base in Doncaster in April of this year. You'll see the aircraft approaches the ground line, do a 360 degree turn. Turn to the other side of the airplane. You see in the back there's a spray bars, there's a cylindrical bar there, there's many spray heads down the side of that bar. Chemically mixed with the oil on top of the surface of the water. So that allows the oil and the water to mix, and then all of the microorganisms in the water, they start effectively eating the oil. And they start eating, they start multiplying in their millions. And it's that natural process that clears up the oil. The aircraft is based at Doncaster Airport rather than Doncaster Sheffield Airport. We've two of them, one's down at Lasham at the moment, but that's going to be returning to Doncaster at the end of the month. And those two aircraft are squirreled away in the hangar, ready at 4 hour notice to go out and deal with any oil. So there's 7 stainless steel tanks on the aircraft, each holding 2,000 litres. There's double ship tanks, so if we get any problems, there's no leakage into the freight bay, just go down into the outer console and that shuts down the system and return it. Just that completed this 360 turn. FedEx then decided to re-engine and do some slight other mods, but the main thing was to re-engine the aircraft, and that made it an ideal platform for our needs. It's got a great power to rate ratio, engine in the centre line, so if we get into any difficulties down at low level, it should be a good powerful aircraft to get us out of trouble. Also with our number 2 engine sitting on the top of the intake, sitting on the top of the airframe with a high angle of attack at low level. It shouldn't stop any birds. If we hit any birds at low level, go down the intake. And it comes around now. Ask Chris to lower the gear. It's quite a unique aircraft in the UK because it flies with a flight engineer. That's my role as well. I'm also a flight engineer. Sometimes sit sideways on the airplane, and during the spraying missions I'll be sitting forward looking wide. Turn off the air conditioning and hot, it's really bright. No very stable platform. Stand set to start off with last pass now. It'll be selected the gear up. Flaps will be at 15 to that spraying configuration. And then descend back again to 150 feet. As it descends, flight engineer, counting down the height. First officer making sure the speed is correct. Down flying, making sure that there's got his visual references correct. Descending down now, spray on. Like I say, about 1,000 litres